Today we're going over my analytics for my tutorial channel. This is the channel that you're watching on. This is the second YouTube channel I have, and I am growing it to, right now my big goal is to get monetization. And I have, as you can see here, a small progress that we've made. We are working towards 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So we've made some progress this month, but we are working on getting monetized. Now this is my second channel. I do have a main channel, first channel called Kelly Ann Smith that has 46,000 subscribers that I do the analytics reports on those as well. So definitely check that out down below in the description. And each month I go over analytics for both channels and my income and all of that for both channels. Obviously, this channel is making me a lot more money than this one. And so we're going to dig into the analytics. So let's look at December 2021 analytics. So I'm going to go to December 2021. This month I received 1.8 thousand views, 56.9 hours of watch time, and I gained 92 subscribers. As you can see, my watch time was not the most consistent. Definitely did better at the beginning of the month and kind of tapered off down here, and then is a little bit better towards the end. Top videos this month was a shorts that I did of, I got 215 views, how I made $7,000 in passive income on Etsy, and then my Freedom in a Budget business income report for November, 202 views. Another shorts, my shorts have actually been doing pretty well on this channel. I haven't tried shorts on my main channel, but I have done them on this channel, so that is great. How to add a shop announcement in Etsy, how to set up Flowdesk. This is my top video overall right here. And 9 side hustles you can do from home, another short, and then how to create multiple pins on Canva. Now let's see here. I want to go and show you, because watch time is so important. So I want to show you the last 365 days of my channel. So as you can see, we're definitely growing in watch time. When this time was end of September, that's when I really decided to start getting serious about posting and getting this channel monetized. And so you can definitely see the progress that I've had as I am more consistent with uploading. I definitely have increased my watch time, which is awesome. And then subscribers, same with that as well. You can definitely see the difference in subscribers since I became more consistent in watch time. And let's look at views as well. And obviously views and watch time are gonna pretty much go hand in hand. And as you can see here, top video total is this one, how to set up a Flowdesk workflow for automation, 981 views, and then how to edit a listing in Etsy, and then a couple shorts, how much YouTube paid me for a video with 235,000 views. And you can see in my business report cards, they do really well. I am very transparent on this channel on how much I make through my online business and then how much I spend as well, because it's important to see both sides. All right, let's go back to December. Let's look at reach. Reach impressions is 22.7 thousand views impressions. Definitely was doing better in the beginning of December and then tapered off. I was also a little bit more consistent at the beginning, and then the holidays happened, so that was not very good of me. Click-through rate 4%. That is up 11%. That is great. Views 1.8 thousand. Unique views 1.3. Traffic sources, top source is YouTube search, which is awesome because that is my goal for this channel, is to be ranking in search. And then channel pages, browse features, shorts feed, suggested video, and other. Top channel searches is Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, Yahoo search, and Etsy. Interesting. My top playlists are Flowdesk tutorials, uploads, Etsy tutorials, and business income reports. Top searches that people are doing is how much YouTube paid me, Etsy, Amazon gift card giveaway, how to make money on Etsy, and Etsy business. Traffic sources, these are the other videos that are suggesting me, which is great. Engagement, 59.6 or 56.9 hours this month. So working towards that 4,000 hours. I got another 50 hours in this month, but I really need to up my game, and I'm doing daily uploads on this channel now. So daily uploads on this channel. So keep on coming back. Average view duration is 1 minute 51 seconds, and that is primarily because of my shorts. It really brings down my watch time. And tutorials, I like them to be quick so that you're not having to watch this long intro and everything else. And then you can see here the graph of audience retention. So this one had great retention in the beginning, and then you can see it kind of started going downward. How to add a shop announcement. You can see those as well. My top videos, workflows. This is always my top video, and then business income report. This is number of hours that I've received. So top hours are 7 hours for both this setting up workflow as well as my business income report. Top videos by end screen, how to edit a listing in Etsy, how to add a shop announcement. Top end screens is best reviewer, video, playlist, subscribe, and channel. Top playlists, business income reports, Flowdesk, Canva tutorials, TubeBuddy tutorials, entrepreneur tubes. Let's look at audience. Okay, so returning viewers is purple, the lower line, and the new viewers is the blue line. So as you can see, it's definitely more in new viewers. And unique viewers, you can see there, and then subscribers. So I actually had some dips where I lost some subscribers on a couple days, which sucks, but these were higher days, 19 subscribers, 13 subscribers. So we're growing, but these days of 1 and 2 and negative are not fun at all. And let's see, videos to grow your audience. So this tells me how many viewers I'm getting, how many new subscribers. So new viewers who returned. And so this is very, very interesting to look at these analytics and to dig into why people are not subscribing or why people are not returning. And it's great to really dig into analytics. Not subscribed is 60%, subscribed is 40%. It's split right down the middle. Wow. 50% female, 50% male. Average age is 18 to 24, and then 25 to 34. Top geographic is United States, 42%, India, 5.8%, and then Trinidad and Tobago is 0.7. Most people are not watching with subtitles. So that is my analytics. Oh, let me see what videos we did this month. Okay, so December, let's see, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 videos this month. So I should be doing 30 videos. So I did less than half what I wanted to. So that is not good, but we're going to do better in January. So come back for January's analytics and let's see how we do. So this is my tutorial channel analytics. Definitely subscribe. Let me know what other tutorials you want me to do down below in the comments, and check out my main channel analytics. It'll be linked down below, as well as my business income report.